Hey guys, I'm Caitlin Alfred and I'm the owner here at Lost Artistry Lash. And today we're wanting to solve a very common issue we've seen since going back to work since COVID-19. So this issue is retention. If you are someone who has experienced retention issues since getting back to your lash biz after COVID-19, then this video is for you. So we've definitely experienced retention issues since COVID-19, so we have had to really problem solve and figure out where the problem is coming from. So we're all having to wear face masks. So both us as the artists are having to wear face masks, and so are our clients. So these face masks are awesome. They're gonna keep us safe and healthy and free of COVID, which is great, and it's very necessary to do so within our businesses. However, with these face masks, when we put them on our face, imagine us as a client. So we're putting a face mask on, getting ready for our service, and us as the artist are going ahead and working on our clients. But what's happening is, I'm gonna do an example for you. What's happening is when we put our face mask up, I want you to look at my glasses. While I'm breathing, the air from my mouth is going up into my glasses and it's causing steam. So I'm gonna show you again. You probably can't even see my eyes right now. So why this is relevant is because all of our glues have a component called cyanoacrylate in them. Cyanoacrylate polymerizes with the introduction of moisture. If you're not familiar with the term polymerizes, this just means that the glue cures or dries, as many people call it, by the introduction of moisture. So let's say your glue is a 2-second dry time, and it says it works between 40 and 60% relative humidity. That means that if you're working at 60+% relative humidity, that your glue is gonna actually cure much faster than that 2 seconds that has been outlined on the bottle, which doesn't give us much time to get the fan or the classic lash, whatever you're using, and place it on the natural lash. What's gonna happen is it's already cured before you've placed it. So maybe it'll stick for a little while, but you're not getting that really strong hold that you need in order to have really good retention. So that's really important. So that's what's happening when our clients are breathing. The air is getting pushed from their mouth, and of course there's moisture in our breath, and that's getting pushed from our mouth and up onto the eyes. So the glue is likely curing much faster than we are used to. So that's where the retention issues are coming from. So guys, we need to solve this. And it's easy to solve this problem. So there's many options that you can do. You can fold this part of the mask, the bendy part of the mask, down to redirect that air to push down. Now, we've personally found that this hasn't given us as good of results as actually taping it. So what you can do is, if your client has their mask on, I'll take my glasses off for this. If our clients have our mask on, you can actually tape right underneath, and it's not gonna hurt your clients. You won't use regular tape from your cover. You'll use your lash tape, very safe for the skin, and you'll just tape that mask down perfectly. And that's gonna redirect that breath out the bottom because it won't be able to escape up the top. And there's definitely other things that you can do as well. Some people have actually been putting it underneath the nose, but I personally feel as though we want to keep all of that breath away from us as the artists to keep ourselves very healthy and safe. So that's what's worked best for us at our local salon. It's just keeping that mask taped down, and then we haven't had any issues with retention since. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please comment below and let us know what you think. And also, if you have some kind of crafty solution as well, we would love to hear.